कभी कोल के नाम से जानने वाला ये शहर आज कैसे बन गया सिटी ऑफ लॉक्स और एडुकेशन का हब, आइए जानते हैं। और अगर आप इस वीडियो के साथ साथ अपनी इंग्लिश भी इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो इस वीडियो के अंत तक हमारे साथ बने रहिए। नाउ लेट्स एक्सप्लोर अलीगढ़ इन इंग्लिश in a very simple and easy way. Intro. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore the fascinating city of Aligarh, a palace known for its rich history, educational importance, and unique identity as the city of locks. From culture to cuisine, and from heritage to modern development, Aligarh has a lot of offer. So let's begin our journey. History. Aligarh has a long and interesting history that dates back to ancient times. Early known as Kul or Koila, the city has witnessed the rule of several dynasties including the Rajput, Delhi Sultanate, Mughal, and the British. The city gained prominence during the Mughal period and later became an important center during British rule. One of the most significant historical contributors of Aligarh is the establishment of the Mohammedan Anglo-Orient College by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1875, which later became Aligarh Muslim University. This institution played a crucial role in modern education and social reform in India. Geography. Aligarh is located in the northern state of Uttar Pradesh, India. It lies in the fertile plains of the Ganga-Yamuna Doab region. The city experiences hot summer, cool winter, moderate monsoon rainfall. Its location provides good connectivity to major cities like Delhi, Agra, and Mathura, making it an important regional hub. People. The people of Aligarh are known for their simplicity, hospitality, and cultural diversity. The population includes people from various religions and communities living together harmoniously. Many residents are involved in lock manufacturing industry, education and academic professionals, small business and trade. Aligarh has a strong intellectual environment due to its educational institution. Language. The primary language spoken in Aligarh is Hindi. However, Urdu also holds a special place due to the city's cultural and historical background. Widely used in educational institutes and among professionals. Food. Aligarh offers a variety of delicious North Indian and Mughlai cuisine. Popular food items include biryani and kebab, nahari and korma, sweets like jalebi and rabdi. Street food such as a chaat and samosa. The food here is rich in flavor and reflects the city's cultural diversity. Culture. Aligarh has a vibrant culture life influenced by both traditional and modern elements. Key highlights include celebration of festivals like Eid, Diwali and Holi, a strong literary and academic culture, traditional crafts, especially lock making, the presence of Aligarh Muslim University adds a unique intellectual and cultural atmosphere to the city. Tourism. While Aligarh is not as famous as some other cities, it has several important attractions. Aligarh Muslim University campus known for its beautiful architecture. Sir Syed House Museum, Aligarh Fort, a historic fort with great significance. Maulana Azad Library, one of the largest university library in Asia. This palace attracts visitors interested in history and education. Facts. Here are some interesting facts about Aligarh. It is known as the city of locks due to its lock industry. Aligarh Muslim University is one of the India's top universities. The city has a strong connection with Urdu literature. It has historical roots dating back to ancient times. Importance. Aligarh holds importance in several areas. Educational importance, home to Aligarh Muslim University. Industrial importance, major center for lock manufacturing. Cul- Culture importance, rich blend of tradition and modernity. Historical importance, witness to various dynasty and events. Conclusion. In conclusion, Aligarh is a city that's beautiful, combines history, education, and industry. It's contribute to learning, culture, and craftsmanship, making it a unique and important city in India. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.